Hi guys, so today I'm gonna do my Padfield recreational video. So for today, since I live near MOA, um, honestly I don't go out as much, and if I go out, I don't usually walk kasi mas choose ko palagi yung convenience kasi ayoko naglalakad. Tamad lang talaga. Pero ayun, most of the time kahit malapit, tinatry ko mag-move it or mag-grab, and I don't usually choose the option na mag-walk. Per today, let's make it a different day so that we can like para mas ramdam natin ang surroundings natin, like to get the feels. Gets niyo ba? Basta yes. So ayun, let's get in touch with nature. So let's check the route that I'll be going. So for today, since need ko kasi kumain and I don't have any other time na rin to like go out kasi I don't usually go out talaga. So I always stay at home. Parang I will only go out on Sundays and Mondays, which is Sunday is for mass and Monday is for face-to-face. And so McDonald's, what? Blue Bay Walk. So we're gonna go to McDo. This McDo. So my location is here. The McDo is far away. It's a 14-minute walk. For me, mahabang walk na yan kasi hindi talaga ako lumalabas. But today, we're gonna push ourselves. We're gonna push ourselves out there na lumabas kasi para makalabas-labas naman tayo. So, yun. We're just gonna prepare for it, and then after that is we're gonna take some realizations out of it kung ano ba nakuha natin sa pag-walk. And ayun, ayoko din kasi naiinitan. So now, time check, 7:03 a.m. I think it's the best time to go out since hindi pa tirik yung araw. So, prepare lang ako. Get ready with me, like, bihis, ayos ng face na konti. So, yun lang yung gagawin natin today. Let's go. Wait. Ayoko lang mabas na lang. Hindi kaya ko yan. So, for safety pala, kailangan natin maglakad sa mga sidewalks. Like, kailangan naman tumaan tayo sa gitna. Hindi tayo ganon. Tapos, for my belongings, I think I'm gonna bring my Lululemon bag. Pero wala naman ako kailangan dalhin. So, baka wala na lang. Myself, ganon. And then next, ano pa ba? Maging aware sa surroundings ko. Kasi minsan talaga, ang tanga-tanga ko. Like, basta. Kahit may bato dyan, sa nakalakaran ko, hindi ko nakikita. So, we gotta improve that skill. And for environmental practice naman, we need to not litter. Ano naman itatapon ko? Wala naman. So, yun. That's a good thing to practice. So, based on kung ano more appropriate and comfortable clothes and shoes. So, I'm planning to wear shorts, top, and then on cloud. So, let's go. Ito pala yung fit. So, ayan, our hair is tied. Tie it lang or braid. So, after that, we're gonna do a little bit of get ready with me. I'm just gonna put sunscreen. Because the Philippines is hot.
With an empty room and your name carved over the door, facing out to the tallest view from your place on the second floor. Sounded out to an empty house. Was it just like you
want you here in my world. Hi, so start tayo ng walk. Time check. Hindi ko makita. Hindi ko makita. So time check, it's 7:39. Need to be there kasi na-order na ako. 5 minutes yung pick up na ako. Pero di ko magkala. 40 minutes na. But let's see. Let's go. Not sure if marinig na ako. Pero, tayo. Marami pa na. Nandun pa siya sa dulo. Guys, alam nyo nakakahiya kung video ko. Kung maging vlogger, punta tayo. Kasi harap ka. It's nice just to walk sometimes. Narilis mo. Parang malapit ang patas. Oh my God, ibang McDo pala siya. Yan pala siya. Oh my God. Diba? Yan. Sumili. Malapit. Ayaw, kailangan ko tumakbo. So, nakabalik na. And I'm gonna share with you a few things na I've learned as I walk back to the condo. I'm home. So, got the goods. And I got to walk. So, yun. It was so good to walk. Kasi parang nag-debrief ko rin yung self ko. And for me, maaga pa ngayon. Kasi usually, hindi ako gumigising ng ganitong oras. Pero since ayoko nga maglakad ng mainit. So, I woke up early. And I just wanna say, it's so good din pala talaga to walk. Kasi we get to, like, be with nature, gets niyo ba? And also, even though a lot of people choose convenience din talaga, kasi in this life, minsan yung iba, tinithink nila na we don't wanna spend more time for like unnecessary things, which as convenience yung answer. Kasi honestly, ako din personally, I would choose to have it delivered na lang, or go to a drive-thru with my car, or Grab. Kasi ganyan naman talaga, di ba? So, for today, I guess my learning is, pwede naman pala ako maglakad, lalo na if ganun lang pala. I didn't realize ganun lang siya kalapit, not until I've tried to walk going there. And siguro challenge lang, if ever, ibang time ko ito ginawa is mainit, which is ayoko kasi talaga na mainit. For today, everything seemed good. The weather is good. And I feel very happy kasi nagawa ko to. And nice na parang makakita ng nature. Hindi yung parang corners lang ng kondo ko nakakita ka sa room and stuff. So, that's good. And then, makita mo yung people outside then walking. Going to their jobs. Ang iba nag-jogging. So, marami rin palang nangyayari outside our home na dapat mas maging aware pa tayo. Kasi, lalo na sa time ngayon where unpredictable yung life. Hindi na natin alam kung when ulit tayo makakapag-lakad-lakad, when ulit tayo makakapag-spend time with family, and lahat ng stuff. Kasi sobrang gulo ng mundo now. Pero this make me realize na it's time I need to slow down and take it all in. So yun, I would definitely do this again someday. And I'm hoping na we get to build better habits and get to learn stuff that will make us feel more fulfilled in life. Ayun. So, thank you so much for watching. And ngayon, it's time to read. Minded ake. Bye!